Let's just wait for 2 more minutes. Let everybody join. And within next 2 minutes, we are going to start the class. Stay with the class, everyone. Fine. So until now we have got only 19 people, but we will not wait much. 7 minutes are already over, and that is enough for everyone to join the class. Now let's begin with this. So what we have discussed last class?
Cartesian product of final state or difference of that.
Mahil-Néraud theorem. Fine. So we were covering minimization of automata with the help of Mahil-Néraud theorem. All right. And what we have found is f cross q minus f cross f, q minus f cross q minus f. All these entries we have found. All right. Now we have to solve it further. I told you that it's better if you create a transition table. Everybody remember that? I told you it is better for you if you create a transition table for solving this question. Otherwise, later on it will become little complex to find out, because we have to find out so many different paths. So it's good to have a transition table. Somebody have created transition table? Somebody have created the transition table? The transition table which I said, not this matrix, not this Q0 to Q8 matrix, rather the transition table what I said you. Have you created that? If not, then it's better if you create. Okay, although we can do it without creating that also, not a big deal. So let's start doing this. So now what we are supposed to do, let me tell you. First of all, let us understand that what this matrix is all about. Okay, basically this matrix, the matrix which I have shown you, this matrix is actually going to map every state to every state. All right, this is going to map every state to every state. So the point is, where are you going? Sit here. Come from this place now. Why you are going to that side? Sit here. First cover up the first row. Once first row is filled, then huh? You can't see clearly from this place. Then it's okay. You can sit over there on the first row. That's fine. So we are going to map every state to every state. All right. Now when we have written this q minus f cross q minus f and f cross q minus f, so you must remember that thing, that come. All the offline students, make sure to understand one thing. Let's say if you are 2 3 minutes or 5 minutes late in the class, okay, in that case don't ask me to come. Okay, just come directly. There's no need to ask me, right? I seriously don't believe in these formalities, because it wastes a lot of time. I'm saying something, every time one more person will come and he will say that, sir, may I come? Always I have to distract myself and the class also. Okay, so if you are 5 6 minutes late, right, in that case just come directly. There's no need to ask. Okay, all the online students also remember, whenever you are whenever you will come to the physical classes, everybody please make sure that if you are 2 3 minutes or 5 minutes late, don't ask me. Not only for this, rather, let's say if you want to go to drink water, okay, or if you want to use washroom, then also there is no need to ask. Just stand up from your place, go out, take water, come back. That's it. Okay, no need to ask, so that we should not get disturbed. Yeah, fine. So Let's come back to the class. So what we have with us, q minus f cross f cross q minus f, q minus f cross f, and f cross f. But we have taken care while making these sets that we have considered only those pairs where I was strictly less than j. Everybody remember this? We have taken exactly those pairs where I was strictly less than j. That means what? Now, if you observe this table carefully, what should I have? I should not have any entry in the diagonals and the lower triangular part. All those entries which are below diagonals. What is the reason? Because all those entries which are below diagonal or in the diagonal, they does not follow that condition. Check it out. Every diagonal is q0, q0, q1, q1, q2, q2. Are we going to map q0 to q0? Answer is no, right? Or the entries below diagonal, what they are? q1, q0, q2, q0, q2, q1. Are we going to map such entries? No. That means all the section which is either having the diagonal part or below diagonal, this is something does not worth to me. So I will mark a dash in all such sections. All right. I'll simply mark a dash in all such sections. Do it. All the online students also take 1 minute, complete this. Mark dash in all the diagonal and below diagonal part. That is the lower triangular part. Is there anybody who is having problem in this? Complete it in just 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Completed. All the online students.
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me put a dash here, and everywhere below diagonal is going to be dash, because it doesn't work for me since I am not mapping any such state. I'm not going to map an state to itself, and I'm not also going to map an state to its lower suffix. That's why this all will become dash, right? Is it clear to all the offline students? Fine. Now you found the f cross f and q minus f cross f cross q minus f and q minus f cross f, right? So now what you are supposed to do, whatever the entries you have either in f cross q minus f or in q minus f cross f, those entries should be marked cross in the table. Only those entries should be marked cross. For example, let's consider f cross, let's consider q minus f cross f. So what was the first entry we have? All the online students also keep responding, otherwise how will I come to know whether you are getting things or not? There is no problem in being alive when you are taking classes. Come on, keep responding. I told you yesterday that now I'm not going to poke every time to everybody. It's your own responsibility. I have tried my level best. Now you also have to show some enthusiasm. I will be taking a pace on the syllabus, right? So The first entry is Q0, Q2, Q2 it is, right? So what we have to do, just go to Q0 from the row and go to Q2 from the column and just mark a cross. All right, all the online students, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So all you four who are sitting physically and the online people also, take 2 minutes and mark these crosses everywhere in the table. Where everywhere does mean obviously wherever it is required. F cross Q minus F and Q minus F cross F, right? I'm putting myself on mute, switching off my camera. Till then you complete this. Only 2 minutes will be given for this. All the online students, have you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So can I please have the cross in the very first row? Tell me, where should I mark? Q2, what else? Q3, shall we mark it cross or not?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Q1, Q0, Q1,
okay.
Q4, Q5, Q6, Q8.
All should be marked cross.
Yes, sir.
Dear, why you are marking on Q7, Q8?
Sir, are you going step by step like Q minus F into Q minus F only
Oh,
or for all? Because,
no, no, that's not necessary. We can go together, not a problem. So fine, let us complete this table first with the offline students who are sitting here. Okay, then we will check on with the online students and we will find out whether they are getting the same answers or not. Okay, so yes, tell me. Fine, what next? Q4, Q7, Q8. Next, Q5, Q6, then 7, 8, and then same 7, 8. What about this? Q7, Q8. Okay, fine. Now all the online students, check yourself and tell me. The one who has given me the answers, unmute yourself. Who has given the answer? Just before this, somebody was speaking from the online students. Who was him?
sir, I was.
Yeah. Yes, Sunny, tell me. Now, tell me where you have the confusion.
Sir, I am not. Sir, I was saying that I means I prepared the final table, and you were I think asking for only stepwise like F
Obviously,
into F.
obviously, obviously, only stepwise. How
Okay,
can
sir.
how would you prepare final table until I don't tell you?
Yes, sir. But
Okay,
I did that, sir. Also, I told like that.
that's okay. But we are obviously we are going step by step.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So these are the crosses which we are supposed to mark. All right. Now, as the step 3, we are supposed to mark x and zeros. Okay. As the step 3, as the don't write anything. Just understand why you come late to every class. Yesterday also you were late. It's not about sorry, but it's like I want to know the reason. Why first leave one seat and sit here. Why you got late? Early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man. What? Have you heard about this thing? Early to bed, early to rise. Makes a man. Somebody knows?
Healthy, wealthy, and
Wise.
wise.
Healthy, wealthy, and wise. It's a very popular quote. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. I'm saying this to your name, Janetu. I'm saying this to Janetu because again he has come late to the class. Try to come on time from the next class, okay? So yes, we have step 3. Okay, in step 3 we are supposed to mark x and 0. Okay, now the point is where I am supposed to mark x and 0. Okay, so for doing that Now you have to consider your set Q minus F cross Q minus F. Okay, don't write anything. Don't write anything. Neither the online students nor the offline students, nobody's supposed to write anything right now. Just understand this thing. I told you so many times that I will give you n number of minutes to take your notes. I am never in a hurry when you are writing your notes, but while I'm explaining something, keep your full attention on the board and the words. Okay, don't divert yourself anywhere. So no need to write right now, at least. So what we have to consider, we have to consider Q minus F cross Q minus F. All right, in such a way so that, let us say that if we have got any entry which is Qi and Qj from Q minus F cross Q minus F. All right, now for this entry, what I have to do, I have to find out R comma S. I have to find out R comma S. Okay, such an R comma S where delta of in fact, first let me write it theoretically, okay, and then I will explain you so that you can consider both the cases. So now we will select, now let me write it theoretically, okay. Now we will select P comma Q from Q minus F cross Q minus F and find R comma S. Find R comma S. Okay. As you can write this line at least, because right now I'm just writing these things, not explaining anything. Write this line as R is equal to delta P comma A and S is equal to delta Q comma A. If R comma S is cross or X, then P comma Q will be X. If R comma S is neither X nor X, then P comma Q will be 0. Just write this line. In fact, write the whole content which I have written in the, onto this slide, and then I will explain you on the example that what we are trying to say. All the online students also just write this content, okay, and then I will explain you. Write the whole content which is written onto the slide. Is X or small x. The first one is capital X, which is cross. Next one is small x. neither x nor x, then mark it 0. Everybody have written? Everybody have written?
So please hold 1 minute more.
Sure, sure. Take your time. No hurries when you are writing notes. Take your time and write it. Written this? Done? What about the online students? Have you written this
Yes,
content?
sir, completed.
What about others? Have you written this content? Fine. Now moving on to the implementation part, that how we should implement this. Okay. What do you have to do? Just pick up one pair from the q minus f cross q minus f. All right. So let's talk about the first pair. What is the first entry you have? Q0, Q1. Am I right? In q minus f cross q minus f, the very first entry you have as q0, q1. Okay. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to go to the original diagram or the table if you have created. All right. And then search what is the path from q0 to a, and search that what is the path from q1 to a. Fine. So let's go to the original diagram. From q0 to a, Nigatu, I guess a lot of noises are coming at your place. If you want to ask something, then ask me. Otherwise, keep yourself muted. So from Q0, if I pass A, where I'm going? Q1. From Q1, if I pass A, where I'm going? Q2. All right. So that means for this one, we are having answer as Q1, Q2. Now we have to check the entry Q1, Q2 in the table which we have created just now. Okay. Don't write. Just look at the board. So Q1, Q2, is it X? Yes or no? If it is X or it is a small x, right now it is cross, but it may be either cross or small x also. All right. In any of the case, what you will do, now you will pick up the original entry. And what is the original entry? Q0, Q1, for which we were working. Now this should be marked as small x. Fine. Okay. That means I should go to this Q0, Q1 and I should mark it as X. Clear? Now, let's have one more example. No problem. Probably if everyone is not clear until now, there is no harm in taking one more example. So I'm taking one more entry. Tell me the next entry from the table. Q minus F cross Q minus F. Q0, Q4. All the online students, is everyone comfortable, or there is somebody who is finding any problem? So by default, I will assume that you are comfortable. If you don't have any problem, if you're not saying anything, that means you are comfortable with the concept. Okay. Yes. So now let's work on this. So delta of Q0 to A, I already know that it is going to be Q1. Now delta from Q4 to A, what it is going to be? Check in the diagram. Q4 to A. Let's move on to the diagram. So Q4 to A. Check out where we are going. Q5. All right. So now I am supposed to write here Q5. Now go to the table which we have created just now and check it. Is it cross? Q1, Q5. Is it cross? Yes, of course. If it is cross, that means you will move to the original entry and you will mark this entry as small x. Is that clear? Pardon? Practically there is no difference. It's just like we are giving an indication that which state we have rejected initially only and which state we have rejected after some processing. That's the only thing. Ultimately, at last, we are going to reject all these states where we have either capital X or the small x. All right. And in case, wait, everybody. In case the entry which you are checking in your table, if it is neither capital X or cross nor small x, in that case only you will mark 0. Is that clear? Now everybody can mark this. Fine. Start doing. Get all the entries. Sure. Wait. All the online students, now I want an answer from your side. Are you clear for this?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Good. So now let's have 5 minutes with us.
Yes.
Within next 5 minutes, we have two inputs that we will discuss later on, dear. Okay, why we are looking only for A, we will check it out. Okay, but first you complete this process. Okay, so the point is, now let's have 5 minutes. Okay, for 5 minutes I'm putting myself on mute, switching off my video. In these 5 minutes you are supposed to complete this process. This x and 0 should be marked everywhere in the table. Till then I'm checking the note sheets of offline students. All right, keep doing. Guys, complete this process. All right. You have this diagram. I'll share the PPT as well. I'll upload the lecture also. Okay. Everybody, please make sure to complete it. Further, whatever is remaining in this particular Mahil-Nerod theorem topic, we are going to discuss it in the next class. I told you that it may take 2.5 or 3 classes. So have that patience, because these 3 classes are going to give you one sure a group of like one question generally always comes from Mahil-Nerod theorem, and that is always a big marks question. So if these 3 classes are going to give you 8, 10 or 12, whatever is the biggest marks question, then it's worth it. All right. Now I'm just unsharing my screen, and everybody is supposed to say your attendance for the day. Remember, I told you what is the pattern of attendance. I will say the roll number. You are supposed to say your name. Okay. Not yes sir, not present sir, nothing. Just say your name. Once I'll say the roll number. So today the date is 27 TC3. Yes, let's start with this. 3094 absent. 3097. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 103 3103.
Yes, sir. AB, sir.
No, yes, sir. Only your name. 117 119 120 117. I guess she was present. I don't know why she left. You have to say your attendance. 117 123 124 126
Sumanda, present sir.
127
Because
131. Fine. In the series only 32
now all
37 42
Daniel.
52
Subham
53 54 54 56 57 58 59 62 62 63
Sandesh Gimire.
64
162 Ravi Pathak.
रवि पाठक
Hello.
हाँ ठीक है फाइन
162.
हो गया हाँ हो गया 164 in the same series only 66 I mean 166 everybody please understand like this only 66 when I'm saying it is 166 167 168 like that only okay 66 67 68 my god 69
Yes, sir,
Am I
present. Ivan as well.
okay 70
Rohit Gupta sir.
okay 71 72
Srob Zugalan, sir.
73
Salamovich present.
74
Johannes present.
75
George was present.
76
Matthew was present.
77
Sunny Chaurasia.
79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Who is 82? 83, 85, 86. Who is 86? 87, 88, 89. My God, so many people are absent. 90. Who is 90?
Darajay present.
Okay. 91,
Sir, David.
92,
Above present.
93, 94, 95, 97. 95 is present or absent?
Present, sir. 95.
97, 98,
Gloria.
99,
Hi Manoj sir.
200, 201, 202, 204, 204, 207, 208, 210,
Ashish sir. 210.
212, 213, 212 present है क्या? Is 212 present? 213, 214. I'm
So
sharing my.
excuse me, sir. So
Yes.
167 is present, but that time I had a mic problem, sir. That's why I wrote in the chat box.
Sarika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Anybody
Excuse me
else?
sir.
Yes.
I am Ala Al-Skaf.
Pardon?
3216.
3216.
Yes.
3216.
Yes.
Who is 3216? All are 31. Oh, 3216. I guess there is no 3216. 3200, 3201, 3202, 4, 7, 13, 12, 108. There is no 3216. What is your name?
Ala Al-Skaf.
What is the status of your fee deposits? Have you completed?
Yes.
When?
From 1 month.
You have completed.
Yes.
Mark a mail to me. Okay, in which
Oh.
you just write your roll number and everything, and attach your fee receipt also of complete
sir.
fee. I hope you have deposited your complete fee, not the partial one.
Okay.
Have you
Sir.
deposited? Have you deposited partially or complete fee for the semester?
Okay.
Reply me. Have you deposited partial fee or complete fee for the semester?
Sir, 196.
Okay. See this 216 roll number. Just mark a mail to me, okay? In which you write your own details, each of the detail, and I'll check with the student section. All right?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Fine. Yes. Who's next?
193.
193.
Yes.
Why you have not marked during the regular attendance?
I was saying my
Every-
name that you.
Everybody please make sure to mark it along with attendance, right? This request cannot be entertained every day. So don't make it as a practice. If every day 6-7 students will keep on saying that, sir, now mark my attendance, mark my, it wastes a lot of time. Fine. Anyways, anybody else whose attendance
Yes,
is
sir. I
remaining?
have disconnected.
I'm just sharing my screen. Everybody please check. If your attendance is remaining, let me know.
Yes, sir. My one 3213
3, 2.
13
What is your name?
Ahmed Dahoud.
Fine. 3, 2, 1, 3. Who's next? Anybody else whose attendance remaining? Guys, I'm going to log the attendance now. Okay. I hope everybody is done with this. Now attendance is logged. Date for today is this is TC3, right? It's, fine. That is all from my side. Rest we will continue in the next class.